So clearly the rainfall has crippled the national capital. The weather department meanwhile has also issued a yellow alert for Delhi NCR till July 3rd. Additionally, the IMD has also declared the onset of southwest monsoon in Delhi. Meanwhile, the Delhi government has also called for an emergency meeting shortly at the Delhi Secretariat over heavy rainfall and also waterlogging. Delhi BJP councillor Ravinder Singh Negi symbolically protested against the Arvind Kejriwal-led Aam Aadmi Party government over the waterlogged situation of the national capital by rowing an inflatable boat through the flooded NH9 area.
ये पीडब्ल्यूडी का नाला सारा ओवरफ्लो है। मानसून रहते हुए इन्होंने दिल्ली के नालों की सफाई नहीं कराई, जिसकी वजह से जल भराव की समस्या आ चुकी है। हम सदन में बार बार ये आवाज उठा रहे थे। हमने सदन में कहा, निगम के सदन में, कि नालों की सफाई कराइए, पीडब्ल्यूडी के नालों की सफाई कराइए। अब दिल्ली नगर निगम में आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार, दिल्ली में आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार, डबल इंजन की इनकी सरकार, इनको शर्म नहीं आती। दिल्ली के लोग बेहाल हो गए। अब सुबह सुबह सब ऑफिस को जा रहे हैं, पर जल भराव इतना है, किसी की गाड़ी खराब हो रही है, किसी की बस खराब हो रही है, सामने बस खराब है, और इतना बुरा हाल है, इनके मंत्रियों के कान में जू नहीं रह रही।
देखिए, पिछली बार से स्थिति काफ़ी कंट्रोल में है, आप देख सकते हैं, और जो जो आइडेंटिफाई आज पॉइंट्स हो जाएंगे उन पर ही काम सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स मिलकर करेंगे, और इन पॉइंट्स पर पूरी कोशिश रहेगी कि दोबारा जल भराव ना हो। देखिए, अभी हम यहाँ पर ITPO पर खड़े हैं। यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी जो वाटर लॉगिंग की कंप्लेंट आई थी, अभी हो सकता है, अभी किशनगंज है, वहाँ पर भी हमारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर खड़े हैं, साउथ में भी हमारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर ऑन ग्राउंड हैं, बारामूला पे भी हमारे डिप्टी कमिश्नर वहाँ पर खड़ी हैं। तो अभी इन धीरे धीरे हम आज दोपहर तक इन पर राउंड करने वाले हैं।
My colleague Nikhil joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Nikhil, we just heard the mayor of Delhi, Shelly Oberoi, there speak about the situation in the national capital. She seemed very defensive, but also she's saying that all the points which now are inundated and waterlogged, they have been identified and work will start on them. The bigger question is, why wasn't this done even before the southwest monsoon kicked in? Why is all this now being done after the situation has gone so worse?
Well, correct, Ashish, and now they are doing the urgent meetings, not just from the side of the Delhi government, which is led by Aam Aadmi Party, but also the Delhi LG have taken a serious note of the non-preparedness from the side of the emergency response team. He has undertaken a meeting of all the stakeholders, and also he has scolded for not being better prepared in times of the monsoon season. Remember, this is the picture which we usually see around this time of the year, and yet again the system has been exposed, not just from the side of the central government, which is the NDMC in this particular case, but also from the Delhi government side, which looks after the MCD of the capital city. So this is the condition which is currently being seen, and now when the damage has already been done, both the sides are currently in the process of blaming, and also they are reviewing the crucial meeting as well.
Absolutely, Nikhil. Like you rightly pointed out, very bad management, and even worse is the kind of response that's coming in from the authorities. Meetings after meetings now, but one only can think as to why weren't any proactive measures taken in the first place. We'll of course keep an eye on that.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.